So the next question they have asked RT from Marwar. They have asked the simple question. This is only one. You can solve this question within 1 second. This has come in for electrical engineering 2020. Which of the following is true for all possible non-zero choices of integers m and n? M is not equal to n. For all possible non-zero choices of real number p and q, where p is not equal to q, applicable. The first one is 1 upon pi 0 to pi sin m theta sin n theta d theta is equal to 0. Second one is 1 upon 2 pi integration minus pi to pi sin p theta and q theta d theta is equal to 0. Limit alpha tends to infinite 1 upon 2 pi to alpha minus infinite integration minus alpha to alpha sin p theta sin q theta d theta is equal to 0. And fourth one is 1 upon 2 pi integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin p theta sin q theta d theta is equal to 0. If you know one condition, the condition is, suppose you have this minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. This is 0 when f of x is odd. Okay, so you must note the graph of cos x, cos 0 is equal to 1. Every symmetric function is even. This is symmetric. This is O, this is x and this is y. Symmetric means this and this both are same. You can see that this is the mirror of this. Both are same. This is 0, this is pi by 2 and this is pi and this is minus 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi. Here also this is minus pi by 2 and similarly. So this graph and this graph both are same. This is a graph for cos x, and again x square, f of x is equal to x square. That is also a graph of x square, and here you can see that this and this both are same. Again I will draw this. Here you can see that this and this both are not same because this is positive and this is negative. This is positive and this is negative. Okay, so both are not same. So this is not symmetrical, but this is symmetrical and this is symmetrical, and every symmetrical graph is the function of even function. Okay, and the graph of sin x sin 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is 0 and this is pi by 2 and this is pi. So that is the graph of sin x. So graph of sin x for the graph of that is the odd function. Okay, for every odd function minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0. That is also odd function. If you write x cube, then minus a to a x cube is equal to 0. If you are writing sin x, minus a to a sin x dx is equal to 0. In place of a you can write anything. So this is very important. By the help of this you can solve this question within 1 second. Okay, and second, you must also note this is very simple. You know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and 5, this odd and this is even odd, even. Okay, even odd. Okay, 3. Okay, so even into even is equal to even. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Even into even is equal to even. That is the trick to remember. Second one, even into odd is equal to odd. Okay. Third, odd into odd is equal to even. Okay. Here why we are taking it? Sine and cos. So this is odd. This is odd into odd. Odd into odd is equal to even. This is even. This is the even function. And he is asking which one is the applicable. which one is the correct answer? So this is sine and this is cos. Sine means odd and this is even, and this is odd into odd and this is odd into odd. So odd into odd is equal to even. This is also even, but odd into even is equal to odd into even is equal to odd. So this is odd, and we have discussed that minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0 if fx is odd, and odd into even is equal to odd, so that is the odd function. So this is correct answer. You can solve such type of problem within 1 second, no problem. We have given many such type of problems. Please go there. Okay. Next question we have got, and Ashish. Okay, Ashish, he is from Delhi, and he has written that please also give us some tricks on matrix. Okay, we have uploaded many videos for the matrix. Total number of 25 part, more than I think that 42 part. Okay, so there are total number of 42 videos for the matrix in YouTube channel. Please go there. So here I cannot solve all types of problem. Okay, so you must go there, take the advantage. The channel name is Albert Joshi. You must go there. And the next question they have asked for the lower triangular matrix. So this is also for electrical engineering. So we will solve this question.